Welcome inside the modern guava factory, where orchard fresh fruit is transformed into pure, refreshing juice.
Guavas arrive directly from orchards, freshly harvested and ready for inspection.
Advanced scanners evaluate each guava's ripeness and skin quality.
Skilled inspectors confirm which fruits meet out juicing standards.
The guavas move into the preparation zone for cleaning. Loose debris from the orchard is removed before washing. The first wash removes roof's dust, soil, and field particles. A sanitizing soak ensures the fruit is safe for processing. Rotating brushes deep clean the fruit surface. Air knives dry the fruit quickly before peeling and pulping. Fruits rest in chilled bins to preserve freshness. Only top-grade guavas enter the pulping stage. Guavas are sliced open to prepare them for pulping.
The inside of the guava contains rich pulp, ideal for juicing.
Seeds are separated from the pulp using controlled vibration. Rotating pulpers break down the fruit into a smooth, thick mixture. Pressing extracts pure guava juice from the pulp. Separated pulp flows into basins for further refining.
Raw juice is held briefly before filtration.
Centrifugal filters remove remaining solids.
Pasteurization eliminates harmful microorganisms.
Rapid cooling preserves natural flavor and nutrients. Optical scanners verify juice clarity and color balance. Filtered juice is transferred to the packaging section.
Bottles are fully sterilized before filling.
Automated fillers ensure accurate portions.
Smart sensors detect incorrect fill levels instantly.
Caps are sealed securely to maintain freshness. Shrink bands add tamper protection.
Labels identify product details and batch information.
QR codes enable tracing from orchard to shelf. Final checks confirm packaging accuracy. Multi-pack trays improve shipping efficiency.
Shrink wrap protects products during transport. Cartons are sealed for bulk distribution. Pallets are stacked and prepared for shipping. Samples are taken for laboratory analysis.
Sugar and acidity levels must match product standards.
Microbial tests ensure the juice is safe to drink.
Flavor panels confirm natural guava taste and aroma.
Shelf life tests measure long-term stability.
Final inspections catch any remaining defects. Cold storage preserves juice quality before distribution.
Trucks maintain ideal temperature during transport.
Daily shipments deliver fresh guava juice nationwide. This advanced facility runs with high efficiency.
Logistics teams monitor each shipment closely.
The final product reaches markets, ready for customers.
And that completes the journey from orchard to refreshing guava juice.
The factory resets for the next production cycle. Hygiene maintenance ensures safe operations. Daily reports document all process data.
Final organization ensures smooth shipment.
Security teams monitor the factory round the clock. The facility operates tirelessly to meet global demand. Strategic location supports efficient distribution. Pure guava juice, the final refreshing result.
Multiple formats serve different customer needs.
Thank you for joining this factory journey. Subscribe to explore more modern manufacturing processes.